Hi, hello. Welcome back to the marketing class. Now we are going to see about the evolution of marketing. So how the marketing stages differ from olden days till now. So that is a evolution of marketing. Evolution of marketing. So the evolution of marketing reflect the changes in the business landscape and the consumer behavior over time. Initially focused primarily what they have focused over there, now how it is changed and how it makes an affordable over here, and what are the changes has been step by step taken places over here, and what are the development and strategies or passed over here, choosing their offering for an evolution of marketing. So that is an evolution of marketing. Here we are having the evolution of marketing concept. The flow of goods from producer to the consumer is a sales production begins aims to maximize the profit through maximizing the sale. The main thing of marketing or a business is to earn a profit. In what way they can earn their profit? By selling the product they can earn the profit. If they want to produce a product abdina, first we have to understand the wants and needs of the customer, what are the changes involved over that, and how we have to develop over it abdina, we have to make it changes over. So that is a thing over here. The marketing is the result of the changing situation is known as an evolution of marketing. Here the first stage of evolution of marketing is that self-sufficient stages. Self-sufficient stage means it is in an olden days each family has self-sufficient, it produces the goods needs to itself, they are producing themselves for their daily needs, so they are not going and buying anywhere else. They are self-sufficient stages and they are producing their self fund for their family and they are using it. There is no exchange of self-sufficiently to the concept of marketing. So that is the first stage. The first and foremost stage is that self-sufficient stage. The next stage is exchange oriented stage. Little changes taken over there in that changes, so that is known as exchange oriented stage. The barter system, we all know about the barter system. So barter system was preventing in those days. The first stage in the evolution of marketing, goods or services were exchanged. Surplus goods or exchanged their goods with they did not produce themselves. So that is known as personal selling practice oriented during this barter system. So barter system means if we are having an excess of supply of the product or surplus product with us, but we are insufficient with some other product. So if we are having a sufficient product, we are giving that sufficient product or surplus product to another person, and we are getting a what we are in need of that product. So we are exchanging a goods from one person to another person according to their wants and needs. So that is known as exchange of goods from one person to another person. It is called as barter system. The next one is that production oriented stage. It is an another changes taken place over there. So production oriented stage, the production oriented stage is the result of industrial revolution. Under this stage the production techniques went revolution changes. Under this stages the producer concentrate only on the production side, but marketing aspect is completely ignored over here. So the production oriented stage, from the word itself we are only concentrated on the production of goods, but we are not concentrated on the selling of goods or marketing the goods over here. So it is completely ignored. The competitive, no competitive among the manufacturer. The producer's cause means of increasing the stability of demand for their product. So it is a production oriented stage. The next stage is that sales oriented stage. It makes some changes over here. Next, first one is self sufficient, Next is changes to an exchange oriented, and third one is a production oriented, and fourth one it concentrate on businessmen begins to realize the significance of marketing and importance of marketing over here, so they are concentrated on sales the activity. This is a witness for a major changes in all the sphere of economical life. So consumer was not only the due important, they are most important in the salesmanship, selling, publicity, solding a goods to whom we are producing only for the consumer. So the selling or a sales takes place over here. Next to that is market oriented stage. In this market oriented stage, this is called modern marketing concept. So in this modern marketing concept, it realized that the customer oriented is one of the most important thing. The next to that is market information system, and then system approaches dual objectives are taken places over here. It is called here, they are mainly concentrate on the customer. Who is the king of a marketing, or who is the king of a business? Is a customer is the king of a marketing. So they are mainly focused on a customer. So that is called as modern marketing concept or a market oriented stage. The next to this stage is social stage. In this social stage, they are making an environmental changes like public welfare concerning the better life environment or quality of an etc. It includes adopting the social responsibility over here. The idea of marketing concept is that consumer need orientation, integrating the market and consumer satisfaction. So all those things are taken places in the idea of marketing concept under the social oriented stage. So in this social oriented stage, it is concerned with the better living environmental quantity etc. So the organization adopted the social responsible over here. The idea of marketing concepts comes into when consumer need oriented integration and customer satisfaction. So that is called as social oriented stage. I hope that you all are clear about the evolution of marketing. The first stage is that the self-sufficient stage, and second one is exchange oriented stage, and the third one is the production oriented, and the fourth one is that the sales oriented stage, and the fifth one is the market oriented stage. At last it come to the social oriented stage. In this it involves a consumer need orientation, integration and customer satisfaction. It gives a social market concept and better environmental living with the quality and quantity, and make a public welfare over here. So that is an evolution of marketing. Thank you. I hope you all understand. Thank you.